simplify. We have x times I, in parentheses I minus 4i to second power, where I is the imaginary unit. So first of all, let me rewrite our expression. We have x, I, and in parentheses we have I minus 4i to second power. This is equal. First, always we have to check what we have in parentheses. We have I minus 4i. It's like 1i minus 4i. We have the same expressions. We can do these operations. So xi we copy, and in parentheses we have 1 minus 4 is negative 3, and I we copy. We subtract from the biggest number smaller. 4 minus 1 is 3, and we copy the sign of the larger number. 4 is negative, so that's why we have negative sign. Close parentheses to second power. So this is equal xi, and now we have to raise to second power negative 3 and I, because we have multiplication. So negative 3 will raise to second power and I will raise to second power. So this is equal xi and negative 3 to second power, so this is 9 times 9, and we have I square. We know that I square is equal negative 1 because the I is imaginary number. So we have that this is equal x times I times 9, and I square we will substitute by negative 1. So this is equal 9 times negative 1, so this is negative 9. First we write the number, and xi we have to rewrite. This is my solution.